What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Nice little video you can sit down and enjoy. Guys, today I have a special guest with me. I'm supposed to know already. I'm not talk about her. I don't know if I'm right this month. Should I right. Right. So yeah, just introduce yourself to them.
Hey guys, so my name is Chantal. Alright, so my YouTube channel's page is I love this. It's down below. Channel page in the description. So my channel name is Nationality, which I'm putting in the description.
I'm gonna put it down in the description.
Alright, so let's click the link and come over and subscribe, guys.
Yeah, subscribe to her channel. So guys, today we are going to be doing a 5 seconds challenge with you guys. So yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, so now rock, paper, scissors, and you are big. You're begging.
I'm not ready. You ready?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Ready? What palm tree?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
1, 2, 3, must
Come, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So that gonna me win or you go?
I don't know them do.
Hello.
So you go first. Alright. Rochelle, you have to count down the seconds then.
So what on? Even answer in a 5 second what?
You get a strike.
Okay. I like strike, so let's go.
Alright, so first one, Nationality. Name 3 Jamaican YouTube couple.
Couple?
Yeah.
Nikki and Klein.
Twy
and Nix. And Tammy and Wayne.
She get it?
I said Tammy and Wayne.
You take too long, 5 seconds.
It's just a 4 by 7
Next one, Nationality. Me I give you 3 and then give her 3 after.
Oh.
Next one, name 3 high schools in Jamaica.
Only childhood, Merle Grove, Queens.
Period.
It's all period, cause take.
Next one, name 3 ice cream flavors.
Pistachio, cookie and cream, grape nut.
Alright, your
What's
turn
ice
now.
cream
Ding,
general?
ding, 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 your turn
So
now.
we get 1 try.
Name 3 Jamaican female YouTubers.
Yanieki. The one you saw. Eve.
Next one, name 3 sex positions.
Back shot. Lizard fan lap. And one next one, red body.
You even get that?
Yes, I get it.
I'll fuck someone a long
Yeah.
time. Jesus.
A Rochelle time.
She get it.
Next one, name 3 members of parliament.
Mr. Mark.
Oh, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Mr. Mark. Miss Mills. Mr. Mark. Miss Mills. And Keyboy.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Wrong. 1 strike that for you. 1 strike that for you. I don't know who them there.
What?
I'm gonna believe in I answer, you know, and that hurt me. Me, I wonder who name so.
Stomach. What?
We're going back over to Nationality. Name 3 attractions in Jamaica.
Duns River, Frenchman Cove, Mystic Mountains.
Next one, name 3 hotels in Jamaica.
Grand Eye,
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Turtle Place, Turtle Tower Place, and
She gets it.
Papas.
2 strike that come. I don't know when name Grand Eye either.
I went there.
Grand Bahia.
I've never been there. I only
Can't
passed
take
it.
this.
So 2 straight.
2 strike you gone. Next one, name 3 social media platforms.
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.
Alright, going back over to Brittany.
Already?
Hey, girl. Name 3 things you suck.
Lollipop. Icicle. Disco.
Okay. Name 3 parishes in Jamaica.
Chilani. Ochi.
I'm not saying it to work.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
5.
What?
2 strike. Come on, know what you say. Next question, Brittany, name 3 STDs.
AIDS, HIV.
Yes, HIV and HIV. No, HIV
and the three strike
HIV and STD.
What's the next one?
HIV and STD. I don't know.
No HIV.
How much strike you gone?
I miss.
What you say?
How much strike she gone?
3 that.
You're out. Come Rochelle. Come I don't know what you mean. You know have to say you don't know. Get up with pride, yeah, friend. You did the well, clap yourself.
No, let me say it.
Yeah. But you win part 1.
Exactly.
So let's see if you can win Rochelle now.
Okay, same thing I said.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors for see who go first.
Come.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rochelle win. Alright, first question. Name 3 types of porridges. We don't know how you have to get the right question here. Name 3 types of porridges.
Okay. St. Anne, St. Mary's.
One.
Porridge.
Porridge,
No, what type of porridge?
a porridge,
A porridge is so like, you know. But a porridge, once you done porridge, a porridge me here. Big up St. Thomas porridge. Pull it down.
Oh my
Next
god.
question, Michelle. Name 3 things that are yellow.
banana, pineapple, melon.
Name 3 countries starting with the letter Q. Remember your account.
Out.
No, one porridge start with the letter. One country start with the letter
Come on
Q.
with a Q something like
Yeah, we kid. I don't know no country start with
She
the
don't
letter Q.
know none, move.
It's country then.
Yeah, wicked.
Tell me in the country then.
No, you have to tell one of them countries.
Queen's New Year.
Where's the country?
No.
Where's another country?
That's unfair.
Should I give
And 2 straight like good.
One strike me there before we have to do something. They move from us with that.
No, sir.
No.
Next.
We're over to Nationality. You have 2 strike, you're gone with your porridge. Name 3 countries. Alright, I'm gonna give you one. May I be fair? Because I don't know what I'm head. Name 3 countries starting with the letter H. Yeah, may I give you?
Honduras, Anova.
Remember your account.
You're out.
She just. I
I don't know how she had to
Yeah, I
Rochelle, you're out. She give you a chance, you still end up getting the 2 strike. Right?
Oh my
Alright, let's see you get your
Go
fear.
over.
2
Make
strike.
over, get a fear.
Alright, Nationality. Name 3 countries starting with the letter P.
Panama, Puerto Rico.
Ah!
Ding.
Think of the next one.
Name 3 types of currencies.
USD, TNT, Antigone.
Name 3 things you can't live without.
Money, food, and water. I'm
Rochelle,
trust tomorrow morning.
Your turn. How much strike you the 1 or Rochelle the 2? Name 3 food that has cheese in it.
Burger, pizza, patty.
Period.
That's all then,
Name 3 Grey's Anatomy characters.
Oh my god.
Jesus, Rochelle, kill it.
What?
Quick intermission, guys. The video quality has changed. I know, storage issue, and I didn't get to film that video or that part of the video on my phone because it was constantly stopping. So I had to do it on a friend's phone and couldn't get it through eardropping it to keep the quality. So I had to get it by iMessage. So the quality changed. You know, just bear with me. Continue like watching the full video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, continue the video now, please. So round 3 now, guys. Rock, paper, scissors. Cool.
Oh. No, I'm going to. How much more go while I go rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again?
So Daniel come like our lucky 5 that just like yeah. So alright, first question. What makes you mad?
What makes me mad? Loud people, ignorant people, stupid people.
She get it?
She gets it, Russian?
Next one. Name 3 things that you love about Jamaica.
The water, the people, food.
Next one. Name 3 Grey's Anatomy character.
Meredith, Derek, and Mac Dreamy.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next one. A tree that I'm going with them? Tree
No,
that?
no dreaming. No,
And that me did I say no?
Dreamy and Derek, I see him.
Because
So
that's why I'm a
wait,
pass.
so,
Me I say I'm a
one best
Steve, me are the
friend.
other one. So you
in
get
me
it wrong.
Dreamy and Derek. Man.
So that one.
Me
So,
at,
'cause that's why me I looking up and me I said Derek. What did Derek nickname?
Should I say
Alright, Daniel, your turn. Name 3 Jamaican male artists.
Bob Marley, Alkaline, and Skilly Bane.
3 ads.
Period. Cause take.
Name 3 skank songs.
We can't be.
1 strike. Name 3 types of phone brand.
Samsung, iPhone, and
I can't believe you make that pass, man.
Alcatel, where next one name? Huawei or whatever.
Alright, back to you, Shan. So you have how much strike?
1.
2.
No, must have start over. Only
I
one
don't know,
we
but the
get wrong.
whole one for
Only
have
the
a strike,
matter
man.
Yeah, only the one with the machine we get wrong.
Name 3 random things that comes to your mind.
Food, bubblegum, water.
Name 3 things you say during sex.
Nothing at all.
2.
2 strike that. Name 3 clothes items that you wear.
Items, skirt, belt.
3. Get the hell up.
You think you're not some clothes or something, you know?
Time.
Just get the.
But when I get up, I last thing this. I last
Brittany
thing this.
won't come, that's why. When you question them down, you question them soon and come.
Come here,
Them
man.
bring
I
the
come,
loose
she won't
already.
come back.
Oh, we don't want
Yeah, she won't come back.
Get ready to go.
Yeah, like drop.
I see it, I sing.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors.
Remember not to at the table.
You're excited here?
Nah, shake it.
Name 3 gospel artists.
I'm here.
Yeah.
No, you just win.
Yeah, 1 straight out. I'm not taking right now.
I want straight.
Name 3 SpongeBob characters.
Squidward, Patrick, and
Strike again, man. No, you're so excited for come.
the Great Strike.
Name 3
myself.
places you've always wanted to visit.
Blue Hole, AC Hotel inside of it, and Ochi.
She not get the 5 marks then.
5 seconds long.
Strike, just like
No,
that.
oh, the 5 seconds forgot already.
Oh, you come like you think about it.
The 5 seconds run out. Then another game.
But now come back in and more than
That's why me lose class. So
move from right here, so come and start play the daily account. See your finger then you go so. Boy man. Dirty corrupt people man. Get up. Don't worry.
I'm even going to
Yeah, go on.
We don't have no more questions. So guys, we have made it to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please remember to go back to Nationality's channel and subscribe to her channel as well. Bye.
Bye.